Yeah, this time we are trying to understand n largest and n smallest methods. Okay, let us read the data once again. And before going the data in detail, let me do one thing here. So what I can do, I have the data, I can do sort underscore values. So I can start here. I can just mention that, it'll be like kilometer driven. So let me do one thing. Let me print the results here. So here now, so here it is in ascending order. So what I do in order to make it here, I just mention ascending is equal to false. Let me do that and see. And now if you see, it become what? In descending order, right? So then thereafter, if I print dot head, let's assume five, probably I'll be able to get top five vehicles with more or highest kilometer driven. So I'll be able to print it. But the same function, we can print it using another perspective in and Python. Okay, so let us look at how do we implement the same. So let us actually look at the data, and the data name is here data. I say n smallest, right? And so I can so say in smallest here. So it's a method. So I can mention what is the year which I want to support, how many top five headings I just want to see, and I can mention what columns may you want to do it. So and I can say the column name would be what, let's look at kilometer driven, km underscore driven. Let me look at here. Let's see what happens here. So I'm not able to get the result. Let's see what's the mistake which we done here. The mistake primarily here columns. Okay, so just look at whether after that you are able to get it or not. Yes, I'm able to get here, right? So you are able to get in smallest five in terms of kilometer driven. You can see here, if you say similarly here, the same thing I can actually think of making um, this way. Let's look at here, top, let's assume 10 here, and largest. Okay, so let's look at in terms of kilometer driven. Let's see that's happening or not. Yes, I'm able to get the top vehicles with more kilometer or highest kilometer, top 10 vehicles I'm able to get. Similarly, I can apply the same thing for, let's assume I have a single series. Let's assume I have name is data. The data may have something called as, let's assume, selling price. Okay, selling price, and I have the series. I can mention here single series, right? Is it true? So here I just may and largest, and I just mentioned, so here I don't need to mention column name, already it's a series, right? So that's the reason I don't need to mention here. Rather simply mention largest 10 and see the results, and just run it and see whether you will be able to get the results or not. Yes, so you're able to see here. So what are all vehicles that since I have the index is already activated, I can see what are the names of the vehicles with the highest, selling price we have. Okay, so that will be able to print it. So hope you understood. That's it.